All cameras rolling. Ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go.
We want to show the differences between combustible and non-combustible cladding materials and how it can be impacting on a house.
Our engineered wood siding was relatively new, but then came the problem of woodpeckers.
Between 6:30 and 7, every morning you'll hear the woodpecker pecking.
We were getting to that place where we just knew we needed to fix it.
I would definitely recommend Hardie fiber cement to anyone.
We're going to be filming time-lapse to show how these stacks will react when they absorb water.
We're going to be capturing 3 different types of building material for about 7 days.
Water on.
Hardie fiber cement is engineered to resist some of the most extreme conditions and is warranted to not crack, split, edge check, or warp.
There's absolutely no movement, and it's pretty incredible actually.